Finally, the SCROLL Airdrop has arrived. In this video, I will explain the eligibility criteria and provide tips to maximize the benefits of this airdrop fully. Before we begin, please ensure that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future airdrop news. As you may already be aware, SCROLL currently does not have its token. However, there is a possibility that they will launch one in the future. They have successfully secured $80 million in funding from reputable venture capitalists such as Polychain and Sequoia, making it highly probable for them to introduce their token. The mainnet has already been launched, and early users who have participated in mainnet and testnet activities will receive an airdrop once the token is released. We highly recommend engaging in regular transactions as it significantly increases your chances of becoming eligible for a potential airdrop. You can find the link to the SCROLL Airdrop page in the description. In my case, I have already conducted some transactions on their mainnet. The price of the SCROLL token is expected to range between $4.5 and $7.5, depending on the funds raised so far. This airdrop from SCROLL could potentially be one of the best airdrops of the year, so act quickly to secure your share. For those unfamiliar with the SCROLL project, it is an EVM equivalent ZK rollup that was initiated in early 2021 as part of the thriving Ethereum ecosystem. SCROLL utilizes ZK EVM as its core component to verify the native EVM execution trace and leverages a decentralized proving network to address efficiency challenges on the prover side. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow crypto enthusiasts. Best of luck, guys, and see you in the next video.